Good evening and thank you for joining us. Healthcare in Pickens County suffered a setback today as it lost one of its 2 ambulances. People are concerned that the problems they are already facing are just going to get worse. I spoke with the mayor of Carrollton and they stressed saying they need help with funding. Emergency health care in Pickens County has been a pressing issue ever since the hospital closed in March of 2020. Residents tell me more than one patient died because medical help was not available in time. Over the last year, many community leaders have worked to find a solution. One being a 24-hour ambulance service and a 16-hour ambulance service, which they accomplished last spring. Even with 2, they were still dealing with delays, multiple calls, and some overlapping. But this week, everything changed when the announcement was made that as of Friday, only one 24-hour ambulance service will provide services to the entire county. Manager of Pickens County Ambulance Service, Vicki McCrory, says she believes this will have a terrible impact.
The second unit that was being subsidized helped more than most people realize because even though we still had extended wait times simply because we don't have a hospital in the county, that's about to increase or double because we're down to 1 unit now.
McCrory says with only 1 ambulance and multiple patients that need transportation forces them to become reliant on other counties or helicopter services. Carrollton Mayor Mickey Walker says it's almost like going back to square one. And it all boils down to a lack of funding.
Some of the towns are just stressed. You know, our budgets are real slim. Some of the other towns just don't have the means to do it. And that's what the citizens got to understand is we were doing everything we could for this short period to try to get the ambulance service up on their feet, hoping that they could help maintain and take some of the burden off of us.
The county was taking the biggest hit, spending over $13,000 a month to help provide an ambulance service. Mayor Walker says they're continuing to try to find a solution, but it won't be a quick one. One option they're looking into would be adding extra funding to car tags.
We'd like for that to be put up for the citizens to vote on. We're not going to just put an extra fee on the tags. It needs to be up to the citizens, and that would give them an opportunity to vote.
Walker says this is going to take patience and helping each other. He also advises not to call the ambulance service if you don't really need them.
The situation's bad. We've got to have some help through state or federal, and that we can continue to do all the things that are doing overseas. But we're not getting any help here. We've got to have help to help maintain this, and we're doing everything we can do.
Employees are not losing their jobs. They are being moved to different locations. Mayor Mickey Walker stressed that if they could get the emergency room back open in Pickens County, that would solve a lot of the issues.